In today's video, I'm going to teach you about how companies are using Cursor AI to scale smarter in their business operations. We'll explore some key areas where businesses are leveraging AI to not only enhance their capabilities, but also streamline their processes. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about accelerated code development. Cursor AI significantly speeds up the code creation process, allowing development teams to produce high-quality code in a fraction of the time it would normally take. This acceleration is crucial for businesses aiming to keep pace with rapidly changing tech demands. By using AI-powered tools, companies can automate repetitive coding tasks, giving developers the freedom to focus on more complex and creative aspects of code design. Moving on to improve code quality and reliability, Cursor AI plays a pivotal role here as well. With AI's ability to learn and adapt, it can help eliminate errors early in the development process, thus enhancing the overall reliability of the code. AI-driven tools can aid in executing thorough testing and code reviews, ensuring that software not only meets the necessary standards, but also performs optimally. This improvement in quality can lead to fewer bugs and a more robust final product, which in turn boosts user satisfaction and operational efficiency. Now let's discuss enhanced collaboration and team productivity. AI can transform the way teams work together, promoting seamless collaboration among team members. Cursor AI facilitates a shared environment where ideas and feedback can flow freely, empowering teams to be more productive. By leveraging AI to manage project timelines and streamline communication, businesses can ensure that their teams remain on the same page, effectively coordinating efforts without unnecessary bottlenecks. Next, we have streamlined debugging and refactoring, an essential aspect of maintaining and improving existing code bases. Cursor AI assists developers by automating the detection of bugs and suggesting effective refactoring options. This not only saves time but also allows developers to concentrate on refining the bigger picture instead of getting bogged down by minute, repetitive tasks. It provides clearer insights into potential issues and suggests fixes, which is particularly useful for quickly iterating on existing projects. Finally, let's explore integration with existing workflows and customization. One of Cursor AI's strengths lies in its ability to seamlessly integrate into a company's current workflow, offering custom solutions tailored to specific business needs. This integration ensures that tools are working in harmony with existing systems, minimizing disruptions while maximizing efficiency. By customizing AI tools, businesses can maintain their unique preferences and goals, ensuring a smooth transition and optimize performance. In conclusion, as businesses continue to adapt to the ever-evolving tech landscape, tools like Cursor AI offer indispensable support. By accelerating development, improving code quality, fostering collaboration, streamlining debugging, and aligning with existing workflows, AI provides companies with powerful capabilities